Alright, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we are doing a Burger King mukbang. And I know I didn't get a lot of food. I got a cheeseburger, got some fries right here. I got, let me put this down here. There we go. I got a drink, a large sweet tea, and I got some Polynesian sausage next to me. And I didn't really get much, but I didn't know what to get because I don't normally go to Burger King. But let's do good. I really do appreciate all the love these videos are getting, especially the McDonald's video. That got so much love. Got 120. It's up to like 120 views already. And it only came out like a week and a half ago. Well, 2 weeks ago. But I'm amazed. Yeah, I just got some Polynesian sauce. I never got any sauce at Chick-fil-A so I almost said Chick-fil-A at Burger King. Still good though. I got it plain. I got the Whopper plain. I don't know why. It's just a junior Whopper, so it's pretty small. But I didn't want to get a big meal because I literally just had breakfast like a couple of hours ago. So I just had breakfast at like 10:30, 11. These fries are pretty good in Polynesian. This fry. That's good. That is really good. I haven't tried their sweet tea in a while. Last time I tried Burger King sweet tea was like a year ago. So it's been a while. And yes, I do have a thumbnail for this video. For this video right now. I kind of did one in my McDonald's video, but I almost forgot to do one. So. This, it's like curved up. This double fry. And the Polynesian. You might be wondering where I'm at right now. I'm in my sister's room because I have a really like annoying dog. Or wherever I eat downstairs, it's like I can't even like eat. He just always barks and barks and barks. I'm doing this in my sister's room upstairs. So my dog wouldn't interfere with the video. Look at that. The meat is like really solid. Like the meat on any fast food burger is solid. I had some meat in my tooth. There we go. Gonna dip it. But anyways, comment down below how you guys' days have been. Or how your day has been today. Mine's been okay, I guess. I mean, it's been pretty up and down. I mean, I actually have some video ideas now. Hallelujah. I think for my birthday, which is in a few months, I'm gonna do like a present opening. So that's easier. My birthday's coming up fast. So I'm gonna do like an unboxing video, like unboxing my presents and stuff. I normally get a lot of money on my birthday, like a lot of money. Like one birthday I got like $500. I know, I'm pretty spoiled. I don't know if I told you about my cut that I've had. Can't really see it. There we go. I have a little cut on my finger. It's like, I was at the pool a few days ago, and I scraped it on the side of the pool. I didn't even realize it at first, because I was like, oh, I probably just like hit it or something. And then like 10 minutes later, it's like full on bleeding. I'm like, okay. That's 3 fries at once. Comment down below what other mukbangs I should do next. I'm between like Chick-fil-A, Popeyes, like KFC. I'm between like all 3 of those. I don't know. I said Burger King because we were out and we were like close to a Burger King. So I said Burger King though. This big sweet tea. There's no way I'm gonna drink all this. This little piece. This little piece. Look at that. That was too good. I got a few fries left. I got 4 fries left. Into these 3. Alright, last 4 right here. Alright. And that is going to do it for the Burger King mukbang. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to hit that like button, hit that sub button, turn post notifications on, and I'll see you guys next time.